Hey y'all, what's going on? I'm here at I forgot the name of this business location here at Ron's in Tundra. They have an elevator here. Another Otis. Wow. Holy cow, this one's loud. So I head back to 4. I'm on second floor this time, so we're headed to 4. Same thing as 4 couch towers and price. Rush up, I can't see the model, but the numbers are below. Well, yeah, so I have 2 more I have to check out, and then after that we'll go from there. So I got all the runs and elevators. So, yeah, so I have back to, we'll head to 4 and then back to 1. Enjoy. Okay, so we're about to jump off in a second, and we'll see and figure out the name of this business location. Let's see. Oh, 100 High Tower Fall. Okay. Alright, see ya.